Hey everyone, this is Mike Dudley with Dudley Elite Realty, and today I'm bringing you my latest listing here in Orlando, Florida. It's 6816 Cherry Grove Cir in Orlando, 32809. The property is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, a little over 2,600 square foot. Backs onto conservation. It has a swimming pool and it also has lake views in the back as well. The home is upgraded. I believe he's put in over $40,000 worth of upgrades. We've got a slightly new kitchen in there as well, so you guys don't want to miss out on this property. Please contact me as always at info@dudleyeliterealty.com, or you can reach me at my YouTube channel, where you can find us at Dudley Elite Realty, and all social media platforms. Please contact me if you're interested in this beautiful home. Again, 6816 Cherry Grove Cir in Orlando, Florida, 32809. Great seeing you guys, and I'll speak to you soon.